Hello again. Welcome back to Dxlynlocs. So today I'm just gonna do like a simple maintenance on one of my clients. I started his hair 2 years ago, and his hair just flourished. I wish I would have recorded his whole journey because it was pretty interesting. How he came to me and what all happened. I'll probably talk a little bit about it during this video if I have time. But pretty much he is just coming for a regular maintenance, and he's getting a few locks lightened just to, play with his hair a little bit. But a little bit about his journey. I'll try to include some pictures if I can find them, but like I said, I didn't document much of his journey. I wish I would have because it's pretty cool. He came to me after his locks had gotten started 6 months prior, and he said his hair just was not growing. And so we talked a little bit about how his hair was started, what was used, and how often he washed it, so on and so forth. And he told me that his hair hadn't been washed in 6 months. I was like, oh no. We're washing all of this out because he still had coils. There was no budding, no nothing because of the excess product and not washing, of course. I tell people all the time, washing does help your locks lock because it helps the shedded hair and your natural hair to do what it has to do. So washing is your friend when you have locks. It's not the enemy. Unraveling, of course, happens in the beginning, but that's part of the process. So I washed everything out of his hair. I just took it all out. I believe we used an entire bottle of shampoo washing his hair, washing it all out. And it was only 6 months, so it wasn't enough time for it to cause too much damage or anything like that, but washed it all out. He has a head of beautiful hair, and it was really evident after we washed everything out and I started his coils over. And his hair just progressed like crazy. Within 6 months, it looked nothing like it did when he came in with that 6 months of coils. It looked nothing like it did. His hair progressed so much. And like I said, this is his hair at 2 years. His hair is doing amazing. And he is also, and I believe that's attributed to cleanliness and minimalism. He doesn't do much to his hair at all. As a matter of fact, we combined a lot of his hair. A lot of his locks I combined from the root, and some of them I combined with using the crochet tool. He just wanted his hair to look really unique, some of them with 2 ends, some of them with 1 end. So he has a lot going on in his hair, but it all looks really nice. His hair is very thick, very healthy. So I'm pretty much just lightening some of them for him. And a safe way to lighten hair is to lighten the surface and not to squeeze the chemicals into the inside of the lock, because it's really hard to get it out at that point. And those chemicals, if they stay in your hair and not rinse out properly, they will eat your locks from the inside out. I'm not exaggerating. So from the surface is perfect, and that's it. So here I'm just washing his hair and making sure I get everything out. But as I was saying prior, I attribute his hair growth and health to his minimalism and him not doing much to it. He's kind of like a semi-freeformer as well, because he doesn't get a retwist every month or on a regular basis. It's kind of like one to 2, 3 times per year. All right, and here we are retwisting and plaiting. He wanted just plaits in his hair, so that's all I'm doing, retwisting and plaiting. And the product that I'm applying to his roots is just moisturizer and very little of it because I don't want it to cause any buildup. So most of what's in his hair is water and oils, but I'm adding a little smidge of moisturizer to keep his hair, to gather all his stray hairs. And because his locks are thicker, as I go through them and I'm retwisting them while they're wet, I'm taking the towel and I'm kind of squeezing the lock under the towel to get a lot of that water out, so that kind of lessens his dryer time. And that is it, you guys. This is his finished product. He loved his hair. I loved his hair. I thought it looked pretty cool. We're just hoping his wife loves his hair as well. I don't know. We're just hoping his wife loves his hair as well. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching this little fun video. See y'all in the next one.